Okay, making a short video to explain what the insurance adjuster said when he came for a visit. So first, he said this living room window had to be removed and replaced, including the frame. All of the cracks had to be fixed on top of the window, as well as the cracks that happened during the tornado. There are a few of them right there. And then in this corner, significant damage. The whole window is bubbled, and apparently there is a hole on the outside behind the siding that needs to be fixed. So the change of the window, the frame, the cracks to be filled and fixed, painting, the ceiling had to be fixed, and then he even said that for a couple bucks out of our pocket, they would fix the damage there in my dining room. Then the rest of the damage is upstairs. So quickly go upstairs. All right. So 2 bedroom windows to be removed, replaced, new frame, and the cracked ceiling. So they said they were going to repaint my ceiling and fix it. They did also mention that they weren't sure if they could match the wall color of the raspberry. And I told them that it was fine because I was going to change the color anyway, so that doesn't matter. So hopefully they will paint the ceiling and just never mind the walls because I'll repaint them myself. Yeah, so they were supposed to come today, which is October 30th, 2019. Tornado was September 18th, 2018. So it's been more than a year that we've been waiting for our repairs. So yeah. Lots of repairs to be done. Still waiting. They said they were going to come back tomorrow. So again, recap. Living room window removed, replaced, new framing. Fixing the ceiling. The box for the furnace. The cracks in the ceiling. Repainting the ceilings. Bedroom windows, 2 in the master bedroom need to be removed and replaced, including the framing, and fixing the cracked ceiling, painting the ceiling, and painting the walls, etc. So hopefully that'll be done soon. I've been waiting long enough. Thank you very much. So that's this. Just taking note of the damage. So those were the 2 windows. So here, this is the window that completely came in. And that one got damaged as well by a tree, but it did not, the window didn't fall. And then this whole thing happened. Cracks. There are several cracks everywhere. Yeah. So this is very uncomfortable all winter long. I froze to death last year. This year I was going to put plastic over it since I wasn't getting any response from anybody, but finally somebody called and said, we're coming. So yeah, that's it. That's the damage. So now we have a note of it. Oh wow. It's right up until right to there. It's just ridiculous. It's like my whole ceiling shifted. It's crazy. And then there was damage to my ceiling because of the roof. Yeah. I can't wait till all this is fixed because it's stressing the hell out of me. Alright. So hopefully this will be useful. That's the end.